Customization is key. Outlining text in InDesign is easy and quick. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do here is go and click on the selection tool, and you want to go and click on your text. Okay, so now that we've got it selected, you're going to go up to the menu. Right at the top, you're going to type, and here you need to go and select create outlines. Okay, so once you've selected this, you'll now use your direct selection tool, and we are going to select our text. Now you can see, let's zoom in a bit, that each and every one of these points have been outlined. Now you can go and customize your text by holding in Shift and dragging on any one of these anchor points, or using the dragging of anchor points without holding in Shift, which will literally drag every single one of them. So let's just do this. And there you go. You can now see that you can make these kind of changes quickly and easily.